Hi everyone, this video is going to be very short and I have brought one very special opportunity for this video. This is known as American Express Makeathon. We'll discuss about this opportunity completely, like what are some of the important things, what you should keep in mind, how you can register for this opportunity. But before that, if you haven't already seen my video related to American Express where I've discussed completely about American Express, what's its process, what is CTC, what is the work-life balance, each and everything, we have completely analyzed American Express. If you haven't already watched, go ahead and check out in the playlist Operation Theatre. Also, I'll give the link in the I button here. You can check out the video on American Express completely. So let's come on to the video for today. That is an amazing opportunity by American Express, that is American Express Makeathon. This is basically a diversity hiring event of American Express which is eligible for female students. Let's talk about the complete eligibility criteria for this particular event. So when we talk about the eligibility criteria, it is open to the batches of 2022 and 2023 and you should be a female candidate and studying in your full-time BE BTech programs. This is the basic eligibility criteria. Now, coming upon to the various rounds, although I wanted to bring somebody on my channel for this particular program who have already appeared for the same or who have already got success, but due to some reasons, the person was not able to come to this channel, but I have taken some great insights into this program, like what is all about, how was her experience in the previous year. So I have gathered some points and I wanted to discuss it with you. So the first and the most important thing that I've got to know regarding this program is the first will be an online coding test that will basically use to filter you for the actual hackathon. So this coding test will be conducted on the platform known as Hacker Earth. So on this Hacker Earth platform, you will be given 3 coding questions, and these questions should be solved in all multiple languages will be given as preference: C, C++, Python, and all other languages. So this is the questions will be categorized into 3 categories, like easy, medium, and hard, and they will be having some varying difficulty levels and varying marks. Some questions will be of 20 marks, then 50 marks, 80 marks. So the difficulty level as well as the marks distribution will vary. Also, apart from that, you might get some CS fundamentals MCQs that can be one part of the question paper. But the one thing that is most important is you need to score close to 100% marks in this paper so as to qualify for the next round, because the competition is going to be very high. So this is basically what this criteria is for the online round. After clearing this online round, you will be shortlisted for the actual hackathon that they're going to conduct in the month of April in the virtual mode. So for that hackathon, they'll give you certain problem statements from American Express side. These problem statements may be related to fintech or retail market or anything that American Express is into. So after that, you will be presenting your ideas and all. That is a separate part. But first and most important thing is clearing this online test. So if you are already not aware of this thing, so I have given the link in the description below. You can check out the details about this program. What is this program all about, and you can go and register for this program. Next, when we talk about some of the perks and benefits of this program, are they have some really cool, amazing prizes, certain Apple products they are giving as to the winners, and along with that, the most important thing is full-time and internship opportunities at American Express. You will be fast-tracked to interviews for these roles at American Express in the coming summer or maybe in the future. So this is going to be something very important when we are looking forward to career opportunities with American Express. So this was all about this video. I hope you got some pretty good insights into American Express Makeathon. If you have already not registered for this event, go ahead and register. And a lot of more diversity hiring events and diversity hiring drives are coming up. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned with me for more and more amazing content and opportunities. And you can check out my channel for more some other awesome content. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye bye.